So if everyone could be quiet for a minute. There you go. Doesn't work in my house. Okay, so let's kick off something important and why we're here today. And I'm ready to kick off in smashing cars, but smashing cars honestly isn't the main thing that we're here for today. As you guys are seeing, we have many MPS and Sanfilippo families here. I'm going to ask that all of you stand, if you could please stand right now. And I want you to notice our drivers on the track. Take this moment in for a second. Take this moment in for a second. We are standing in solidarity as a community for these families and many other families like this. Now you might not know this because not everyone's on Facebook, but we started this for Martin and Mia. And we did many raffles. We've raised tons of money for those two. And if you're not on Facebook, you might not know that last Tuesday, we lost Mia at 8 years old. So I'd like to have an extended moment of silence right here for Mia. I'm going to extend this moment of silence because this week we also lost a man that some of you might not know, but his name is Russ Clark, and he is a promoter from Ohio. He runs a company called Smash It, and they've been putting on the biggest demolition derbies in America for years, 650 cars. This week, Russ has battled cancer for the last few years. He's actually beat it multiple times. And the other night coming home on his motorcycle, he swerved ahead of deer, wrecked, and passed. So I'd like to do an extended moment for one of the best demolition derby promoters in the country, Russ Clark.
Thank you. This is our little MPS family here. We keep in contact primarily through Facebook. We have events that other people put on, cook-offs, and just get together for no reason, really. We probably should all be alcoholics. Most of us are. Some of us are not. All these drivers out here, guys, I'm going to release you guys. You guys can go. I appreciate it. I wanted everybody to stand as a community. And notice what we've done. These guys, some of them are still working in the car. So I'm going to release them. I've told all of them what we do and why we do. They know it. That's why they're here. They're here so we can put on one of the best shows in the state of New York, one of the best shows in the Northeast. To do what we do. Guys, the proceeds from our little derby that we started 4 years ago, we decided we were gonna find a charity organization that does not have 90% administrative costs. We wanted our money that we helped to raise go to the important things. Those important things to me are quality of life. I'm not as heartless as it may sound, I'm not a quantity of life guy for my son. I would rather have him have the best life today that he could possibly have. What you guys have allowed us to do through the raffles, the raffle tables, the Chinese raffles, that gets split between Martin and Mia. We've gone to Atlanta Braves games, something I didn't ever think I'd be able to take my son to. But because of you guys and your support, I've been able to do that through your raffle tables. The dollars that go from the gate, that goes right to Team Sanfilippo. Last year, we raised, I believe it was, we gave Team Sanfilippo, and that was after our costs, that was after everything was paid for, $55,000. That's for the support you guys give us, $55,000. That's amazing. The first year I think we did 10, the second year was 25, $55,000. I have no idea what the goal is this year. Next year is year 5. I have some crazy ideas in my brains. I'm not going to subject that to my fellow partners yet, because believe it or not, I will promise you tomorrow morning as I'm headed to work at 5:30, my text message to my partners in business will be saying, take today off, but tomorrow we're getting back to Sanfilippo 5. Because that's what we do. We start planning the day after Sanfilippo for next year. I know we're running a little late, guys, and I'm gonna try to be short, but it's very important to me that you all know where your dollars are being gone. Because some people will say, well, we don't know where it's going. And as I said, Team Sanfilippo is not anywhere near a 90%, a 65% administration fee. Most of your not-for-profits, guys, every dollar you give, they spend 95 cents paying the volunteers, paying secretaries, paying this, paying that. It's not what happens here. The money goes directly to Team Sanfilippo. Team Sanfilippo has been absolutely instrumental in starting a clinical trial that's going on or getting kids right now involved. That trial is going to be, I think it was $30,000 a year per child. One child per year. And it was $1 million, $1.5 million to get it started. So the $100,000 or so we've already gave is part of that big picture. If everybody sees the big picture, guys, it's a rare disease. We get it. Big Pharma doesn't want to help us because it's rare. And there's not a lot of money behind it. So you know what? We're pumping the money into it. We're going to do it. One of these days, I want to say that the Demolition Derby community has fought and helped to further advance a viable treatment for any of the MPSs. I want to thank you all again for coming. I'm going to stop talking. We're going to watch 65-ish Power Wheels, and then I have no idea how many cars we inspected today. We'll get you a number eventually. Thanks again. Have a good day.